We warmly welcome customers from South Korea to visit. During this visit, we will lead customers to visit our LED screen showroom and LED screen aging workshop, allowing them to have a comprehensive understanding of our products and production processes. Firstly, in the LED screen showroom, customers will see our various models and specifications of LED screen products. The exhibition hall showcases LED screens in different application scenarios, including indoor, outdoor, tile screens, and transparent screens. We will provide a detailed introduction to the characteristics, advantages, and outstanding performance of each product in practical use, so that customers can have a deeper understanding of our technical strength and product quality. Thank you again for your visit. We look forward to establishing a long-term and stable cooperative relationship with you.